Hey, this is Brian and Joe. Joe, say
Blah
hi.
blah 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 blah.
Yeah, we made a air horn out of film can canister, balloon, and rubber bands and a straw.
Oh,
Yeah,
you know it, girlfriend.
we'll show you a little demonstration right here. Hold on a second. Yeah, pretty powerful. Hey Joe, you want to give it a try? Blow right in that hole, right? Good job, Joey.
Yeah, that was on me. That was definitely on me.
So, yep, Joe, get off the camera. Joe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So,
And
have
and
fun.
and this is Brian right here. This is Brian and that's Joe.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, Joe.